All right, this video is how to put your iPhone iOS 14 into jiggle mode. It's really simple. All you do is come down to an empty field, press your thumb or finger on it for a couple seconds, and then bam, there it is. It's in jiggle mode. All right. Now you can do a couple things in jiggle mode. You can edit your home screen by clicking on one of these things, and you could delete an app, or you could move the app into your app library, or you could just cancel. I'm just going to cancel. To get out of jiggle mode, you just touch with your finger and it gets right out. Or, let me get it back into jiggle mode. Or I could come up here and I could hit done. And it gets you out of there too. Now, if you want to hide any pages, on my phone, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. So let's say I wanted to hide some pages. I could just put it into this jiggle mode again. Come down, click this. It opens up this field. And if I wanted to hide, let's say, these pages right there, you notice how they kind of got like shaded. Now the only page that's going to be there is that one. And if I'm satisfied with that, I hit done. And then when I go back, I touch here and it comes out of that mode. And then when I flip over, there I am. I'm in my app, and then I'm in my widgets. Now if I'm not happy with that, I want those pages back, I get back in jiggle mode. I come down here, click that, and I just come back in here and I just click those little circles again. Whoops. Oh, it's not letting me do it. Here we go. Hang on. I got to get in the actual circle. That's the problem. I got big thumbs. All right, now once I've done that, I can just go ahead and hit done. And I'm right back to where I started. And to get out of jiggle mode, I can touch it, or I can hit done up here. I'm just going to touch it, and I'm out of jiggle mode. And that's how you get in and out of jiggle mode and what you use jiggle mode for. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with your iPhone iOS 14. Peace out.